Oh, I guess we're recording. What I have is simulation or a working system of the yaw system for the wind turbines. So I wanted to show this to you. This is simulating the yaw motor, and it's rotating currently. It's hooked up with 3 wires, 3-phase. We're hooking them up as low voltage because of 240 volts, and I'm using 240 volts for the yaw. The 240 volts goes over to one side of a line reactor. It would be this pin here, here, and here. It doesn't really matter. What this is, it represents 3 different coils, and we want each phase to go through a separate coil as a line reactor. It helps protect the yaw motor. The other side of the line reactor connects to the output of the VFD, and it would be T1, T2, and T3. That's all you need to do. Again, in this particular case, I would not ground it for all the reasons that I've explained before. What we have on this side here is I've got 240 volt single phase coming into it, and what this does is it allows us to yaw the wind turbines even if we lose 3-phase power, so we can yaw it on any 240 volt battery backup system, etc., etc. The motor right now is running. When you do turn this on, and if you're testing it out, you can actually turn it on with this button here. I just turned it off, and you can see that the frequency is slowing up. You can turn it on, and you can change the frequency, the speed of the motor, whatever you like. And I wish my eyesight was better. I could take a better video of this. Come on in, Ephraim. Is that 240? And what we've done is we've mounted this on a plate, and you down in row 10, you can do whatever you would like in terms of mounting this. What we've done, and what we're doing on our 2 turbines out front that I hope are identical to yours, I basically am using standard 3/8 inch electrical conduit mounting brackets to where I can take the power that comes from, or the 240 volts that comes from the control box in the nacelle down to, let's say, this unit right here to hold it. From here it's going to come into the VFD. The second one is going to be going out to the motor, and what I'm trying to do is dress this up. What I do is I just mount this up in the nacelle to the left of the yaw motor. There's a plate up there, and you can see where we could perhaps mount this straight to that plate on the side, and it's on the left hand side of where the yaw motor sits. I leave mine open. You can put yours in a box if you so choose. It is 240 volts. It's all protected electrically, I guess, for getting your fingers into it and things like that. So this is what I do, and again, it's your discretion in terms of what you'd like to do. The other thing that we're going to do is, when we do yaw it, I can yaw it left or right by communicating through this little COM port right here, which communicates to the PLC, and that's a telephone jack, and when I'm down there we'll wire that up. But if in advance, if you want to wire up the 240 volts, well, you can't until you get the control box up there. You're going to have this and this shortly. They've been shipped to you, so if you want to make up your mounting brackets for all 26 wind turbines, you can do so at your own discretion. So anyway, that's the video.